What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a degen mining update. So, as you know, self-proclaimed degenerate miner, and the abstract chain is now live. So, here's my attempt to show you how to get onto the abstract chain while still remaining a proof of work miner, and there are no proof of work tokens on that chain at this current time. So we'll be utilizing a few different tools. First off, of course your mining machine, whatever you have laying around and profitable, allegedly. First as well, we're going to be utilizing unminable, mining whichever token is also most profitable to you at the time, and getting paid out in something like, in my case, the WIN token on the Solana chain. The reason why I'm choosing that token is because the payout fees are, I think, actually the lowest, payout threshold, right? It's only like a couple bucks that you can actually accrue without having to take days and days at a time. So that is why I choose the WIN token. Its price is pretty volatile, so choose your token at your own discretion. And then we will be utilizing something called the relay bridge, and we'll be bridging from Solana over to abstract, and we'll show you how to do all of these right here, right now. But first, make sure the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification, and I'd greatly appreciate if you share this with anybody and everybody all at the same time on your favorite social media platforms. So let's dive on in. So as we do know, we have the abstract chain, which is live soon. Hopefully soon we'll be able to join in on the streaming here. I've been asking, so hopefully we'll get access to this sometime soon. Let's even check right here while we're making this video. My status still pending. So still pending on that, but you can discover, of course, relays, games, rewards, trade. There's all sorts of things to do on the abstract chain as of currently. It looks to be like it's going to be more community based, and you can bridge your Pengu over here as well. So we do get paid out, of course, in the WIN tokens. So right now I have $7.56 in the WIN token on that wallet at this current time. So I'm going to show you how to move that over. So right now all of our mining rigs are mining anything that's mining Ironfish at this current moment in time. All of our NVIDIA rigs plus the machines, the BC250s, they are also mining Warthog and Ironfish, but getting paid out in WIN. And then of course our Navi rig is also mining Ravencoin, getting paid out in the WIN token. So all on unminable, as you can see right here. That's the current set. So I'll have a link to this down below. You can use the referral link. I'd greatly appreciate it. And yeah, pretty straightforward, simple. We've had plenty of guides of how to set this up before. But today, like I said, we're going to be using the abstract chain. So we're going to use our Phantom wallet. We'll use there. So we're going to bridge from Solana. We're going to choose WIN. So you see we have 148k WIN tokens, and then we are going to get paid out abstract ETH. We can even get paid out in Pengu. We're just going to go with Ethereum for right now. So when we select a wallet, we can either connect to your abstract wallet, or we can just paste the address. So if you don't know how to do that, you just literally click your wallet, and I'm on bronze tier, so my wallet is bronze. You just got to click the address, and we can just paste that address, right? Balance 148K win, so we can send, let's just send 140,000 win tokens. We will get 0.0023694 Ethereum. All right. You can click review. From to swap. Confirm. And literally should only take like 5 seconds at most. Successfully swapped. So literally 7 seconds and we moved across chains. So boom. It's already here. There you go. See? Balance updated. The amount was there, but the balance did update. So it counted as a buy, even though it was a relay swap. All right. So utilizing our mining rigs, unminable, and of course the relay bridge, we can move across 2 different platforms all into one. So that is how you can successfully and safely be a DeGenMiner and move from really any chain. This doesn't apply to just Solana. You saw there's a list of capable chains that you can swap from, even non-mineable chains. So you can even move Bitcoin across the relay bridge. I wouldn't do that, but you can do it. So that's all we got for today. That is your guide of how to mine win tokens and then send them across the relay bridge over to the abstract chain and have them inside of your abstract wallet. If you're streaming, you can tip people live on stream. So that's pretty cool, because you can get paid. We will have more information on that as that comes out. But this is a pretty quick how-to guide to do this. So I hope this answers any questions that you have of how to move over chains. And if you have any other questions, put them down in the comment section below. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love. Peace out. Stay freaking savage. And degenerate safely. Right? Happy hashing, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.